Hello guys, from your Italian guy. Today I'm presenting you a very easy bread with just two ingredients. Soft, well raised, and it's quite different from the usual the flat bread typical of the dough without gluten. Um, so do you want to know how I did that? Follow me. Okay, so our recipe starts 500 milliliters of egg white. You can buy them already in the brick, the supermarket. I think, yeah, that's what I did here in London. And 200 grams of flaxseed or linseed flour. So if you don't have the flour, but you have just the seeds, you can blend them. Yeah, okay. Now we're ready to use the mixer to prepare the dough. Okay, I mix it for 5 minutes. You can see the dough has changed its state from a liquid state, is more or less semi-solid. It got a lot of air. And when it sticks to the whisks, it means that it's ready to be baked. Let's put it in the baking tray now. Okay, so now let's put the dough in the baking tray. The baking tray, the size is 26, 13 and 7 centimeters height. It's beautiful dough. It looks like the one with gluten, but is no gluten. You can add some bacon cubes if you want, or some hard cheese, or you can put some spices if you like, garlic powder, rosemary, or whatever. So just give room to your creativity, and yeah, let me know in the comments below how it came out. I will be really happy to know about. Okay, let's make it even now. Let's also do some cuts on the surface like the usual bread, and it back and in the oven. Look at the large bubbles, guys. Well, I beat the white eggs for the egg white, sorry, for 5 minutes, and yeah, look at the bubbles. I didn't, yeah, it was convenient to beat everything together and not beating all the egg white and separately and then adding the flour. I am an offbeat person, so I do things differently. They got some air, the bubbles, the dough, and you see, even though you mix from the bottom to the top, the egg white then lose the air. So it's better to mix everything together as I did, and look at you see the result. So in the oven, 25 minutes or 400 degrees Fahrenheit, of course, but each oven is different. So do a test with the toothpicks to see if the dough is still sticky. And yeah, bon appetit. I think with a little bit of salt it would be better, but it's delicious anyway. So what you can put inside? Yeah, again, feel free to put whatever you like in the yeah, like butter anchovies, for example, or the Ketorella, my hazelnut based cream that I will link in the video. And yeah, I really thank you so much. Thank you all for the subscribing. I have been growing slowly, so I really appreciate your support. And yeah, let me know if you would like to know any other thing. Maybe I am a fan of smartphone, so maybe a tutorial. You would like to have a tutorial on how to solve problems with a smartphone. Yeah, let me know in the comments below. I would appreciate. I'm making my breakfast now, and again, thank you all for your support. Bye bye, guys, from the Italian guy.